same market. My wife, their wife attend the same market. With those who are here. The person that gave them that order will come here today to come and prove it to the Nigerians. 180 Nigerians. Yeah? Order from above. Who's above? Who's that person above? Are they above the God that put them there? Is that what you actually call for? Do you call for this kind of a change? This is impunity of the order. You close Nigerian house. You are telling me Nigerian order from above. You are going to school till 9 o'clock. If you want to fight the government, go and fight the government. You want to fight democracy, it's not the government. They are not telling us. After the department, they couldn't tell us who the department actually came from. They only say order from above. They won't allow you in. Is that no way? Is this democracy?
We have been refused to enter the National Assembly by the DSS operatives you can see here. We are waiting for the rest of our colleagues to come, and we will see how many of us they want to kill.
Yes.
How many Nigerians they want to kill. We have told them this number of men is not enough. They should go and bring more magazines and more men to stop us from entering the symbol of Nigeria's democracy.
This is Nigerian house.
This is something we raised an alarm about yesterday. You can see that true to what we suspected, they are here to carry out the bidding of this APC government. This is the change that Nigerians are getting because they do not want any dissenting voice. We are back to the military.